Hello and welcome once again. Today I'll be introducing to you the latest updates on Evoto AI. For the past few months right now, I've been making use of Evoto AI in my photo editing workflow. And I've seen some drastic change when it comes to my picture retouching. And also, they've actually put a lot of things into consideration for we photographers right now. But if I tell you, you can start your picture editing from A to Z inside Evoto without using any other software again if you're not the manipulating type like me. So you can do everything from A to Z using Evoto AI with this their new latest feature. So they have about 6 major features which they drop, which I'll be walking you through one after the other from A to Z. So if you are yet to migrate into Evoto AI, kindly do so today. As you can see on my dashboard right now, I have 1,000 credit there and I've used 900 plus. So I'm not just selling to you what I don't use. This is what I use for the past few months. Check my workflow right now. See so many projects I've done on it. So out of 1,000 credits I have, I've used about 900 or so. That means I'm using it on the daily basis. So I'm not just preaching what I don't believe in. I believe in the software and I believe it's going to help you as a photographer. So the first thing I'll be talking about in today's video is the retouching aspect, the latest update on the retouching aspect. Where comes the baby skin retouching and baby blemish remover. So after that, we'll be jumping straight into another one, which is the stealing of color. From that, we'll be walking through some other features in the next video. So join me guys, let me retouch this baby picture with you and some other features also. So the first tool I'll be talking about in today's video is this baby blemish remover tool. So they actually put all aspects of portrait photography into consideration and they're giving us something to actually work with. So like this picture you're seeing right now, can you see the blemishes on the baby's face? So with just a single click right now, we're able to remove this. Let's start with the simplest one and see. As you can see, there's a blemish here and there's also some red, what should I call it? Some red particles here also. And automatically, the moment I went to this picture, let me go to this picture first. As you can see, for this, it's going to show me the female. So once I switch to the child, automatically it's going to change it from the female straight to the child panel. All I just need to do is to open the blemish remover and I'll scroll down, I'll scroll to where I see the baby blemishes remover. This is over here, infant body blemishes remover. All I just need to do is to turn the slider on to 100%. Just have to sit back and wait for it. As you can see right now, all those are not there again. Look at the before of this, look at the after. So the remaining dot over here is going to remove that in the photo retouching aspect. So that means right now, let's go for more complex one right now. As you can see, let's go for this. As you can see, look at the baby's face over here. So let me scroll to the blemish remover on this baby's face also again. So for the baby, I'm going to come to the infant body blemishes first, and I'm going to turn the slider to 100%, and I'll wait for it to load up. So it's going to remove all the blemishes on the baby's skin, as you can see. Can you see right now? Look at the before, look at the after. So for the face, I'll just have to go back to what? Blemishes remover, and I'll do what? Turn on the frequent max to 100%, wait for it to load up, and boom, it's going to remove all the blemishes for me. Very, very simple and straightforward, which I love very, very well. So what I just need to do right now is to just go to our retouching, but we'll be using this picture for our retouching. Our retouching still remain constant, but it's actually very, very more advanced than before. Frequency separation 100%, very, very simple. And I'll go to the what? To the low, I'm going to increase it up. The even dodge and burn, I'm going to turn it to 100. The scope dodge and burn 100%. Just have to wait for it to load up. And boom, look at the before of our subject face, look at the after. So all I just need to do right now is just to come down to the what? To the body also again. Frequency separation 100%. Under the low, I'm going to increase it also. So we're able to retouch this picture before after in just less than a single minute. So just have to come down to what? To the skin and pick a particular skin tone I want. Very, very simple and straightforward. So the first one we talked about is the baby blemish remover. So the next one, which is my most favorite in the video I'll be talking about right now, is the color picker. This particular picture, let's work with this picture right now. So what I want to talk about right now is how to steal color of any picture and have manual control over that particular color to increase the intensity to the amount you want it to be. So probably I have a picture reference in mind which I want to steal color from. What I just need to do is to do what? Click on create this and click on upload reference. As you can see, click on upload and go to where the picture is located. Mine is on my download, so I just have to open the picture up and I'll scroll to where it is. Use the picture I want to be making use of. I'll click on open. Just have to wait for it to load up. So I'll just click on this and I'll click on open. So let's wait for it. I'm just using this for example. This is not the perfect fit, but let's just see how it works. Just click on open and just wait for it to load up. Wait for it to generate for me. And boom, it is loading for us right now. It's actually processing the colors. Let's see what it's going to give to us. And boom, can you see what it gave to us right now with just a single click? But do you know the beauty thing about this right now? It actually gave us manual control. Yes, the before of our picture, yes, and after, with just a single click, right? What is going to give to us? It gave us manual control, so we can actually reduce or increase the intensity. As you can see right now, I can actually change the colors till I see fit. As you can see, I can actually adjust to my, it gave me what I want, but it gave me manual control so that I can just change anything I want to the particular color I want to make it look the way I want it to be. As you can see right now. Very, very simple and straightforward. With this, you should be able to steal any color you want to your liking in just few seconds. Very, very easy and straightforward. This is actually a great tool for color graders, or if you're having issue while color grading, and you can also save it as preset also. So whenever I just need it, you just go there and do what? And pick it up and apply it on your picture. Very, very simple and straightforward. So if you're yet to get the software, kindly do so because they'll be dropping more latest features that is going to actually help your workflow as a photographer. See you guys on the next video on this. Reflex out. So if you're a manipulator, if you love manipulating, there's another feature for you in this latest feature they drop that is going to help your manipulation make it turn out nice. So stay tuned for the next video updates.